how to remove or turn off a subscription on TikTok, whether it's a subscription to TikTok's premium features or something related to the creator fund. I've got you covered. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and go to your profile. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the settings menu. To manage a subscription, you'll actually need to go through your device's app store, either Apple App Store or Google Play Store. TikTok subscriptions such as TikTok Pro or premium content are typically managed through these platforms. Open the settings app, go to your name and tap on subscriptions. Here you will see all list of all active subscriptions linked to your Apple ID. Look for TikTok in the list and name and tap on it. You'll now see the details of your TikTok subscription. To cancel it, simply tap on cancel subscription at the bottom of the page. For Android, open Google Play Store, tap on your profile and tap on payments and subscriptions and then go to subscription. Here you can find TikTok in your subscription list and simply tap on cancel subscription. And that's it. You now successfully removed or turn off any subscription on TikTok.